Hey viewers, once again welcome back to my Auto MT YouTube channel. So guys, today I will share in this video I will share the top 12 best smart bidet seats. This bidet seats we list which is based on the best positive customer review ratings, budget price, and which ones that have the highest online sales. So you won't need to go anywhere for searching the best smart bidet seat, and your best bidet seat is available here from our this video, and this list save you lots of time and money. To view the entire smart bidet seat list, watch our video until the end. At number 12 is Toto SW3084 model number, which is cost you around $416 and 4.5 out of 5 star from 2210 customer already reviewed this bidet seat. And at number 11 is again Toto brand, Toto SW3084 bidet seat, which is cost you around $416, 4.5 out of 5 star from 2211 customer reviewed this item. So guys, one thing more, price may be vary in future because of during the sales may be vary, and if you wanna buy any smart bidet seat, so please I will share all the buy links in the description box below. You can buy from there. And guys, keep watching our video. I will share all the bidet seats, model name, current price, current and customer review rating, which is most important thing when you buy on anything online. And you guys